Good morning, traders. Matt Weller here, Global Head of Research with FOREX.com. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd of July, 2026, and markets are on the move ahead of today's US Open. In today's video, I'll break down everything that you need to know to trade through today. Let's get into it. So the latest development is that the conflict in the Middle East is broadening with big implications for the energy markets. And of course, that means big implications for all markets. The most salient update here is that 4 different Saudi tankers have changed course in the Red Sea, suggesting that the Bab al-Mandab Strait has been at least informally closed by the Houthis. This, of course, stacks upon the closed Strait of Hormuz and continues to tighten the energy market. Traders are buying oil on this development, with oil rising 3% to a 6-week high. That's weighing on major indices. The NASDAQ 100 is trading down 1%. Though, notably, at least for now, the US dollar is flat, gold is on the rise. We did have some economic data to digest over the last 6 to 12 hours here. The UK CPI report came in mixed, with headline inflation coming in a tick below expectations at 2.6% year over year, but core CPI came in a tick above expectations, again at 2.6% year over year. This is something that the Bank of England will be monitoring closely as it sets its path for monetary policy throughout the rest of this year, though no immediate changes are likely. And finally, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention yesterday, dollar yen hit a 40-year high, or essentially a 40-year low in the Japanese yen. We have had a report from Bloomberg this morning suggesting that the Bank of Japan is now open to raising interest rates more quickly on that yen weakness. Theoretically, the Bank of Japan doesn't target a specific level for the yen, but a weak currency can increase inflation in that country, and that's something that has the yen bouncing back just a tick so far. We remain on close intervention watch in that currency pair. Today's chart of the day could be nothing other than oil. Here we're looking at WTI crude oil on a 4-hour basis, and you can see the very clear uptrend. Essentially, my 4-year-old son could tell you that this chart is going from the lower left to the upper right. We have a well-defined bullish trend line with prices moving higher above both of its upward trending near-term moving averages, the 21 period and 50 period EMAs. And the level I want to highlight is around 85. As long as there's no progress toward peace in the Middle East, the pressure will remain to the upside here in oil, and I think any dips toward that trend line, toward previous resistance turn support at 85, could be seen as buying opportunities for the market. Meanwhile, to the top side, the next major level of resistance is actually a bearish trend line off of the highest price that we set in the Middle East conflict, and that comes in well above the 90 level. So dips are likely to be bought in the near term, in my view, and there's room for relatively substantial near-term upside here in oil on a short-term basis. Certainly something you'll want to monitor from both a technical and fundamental perspective. That is today's video. Thank you for carving a couple minutes out of your day to watch. If I could ask just one quick favor though before you go, please do drop a like on this video. It's a free way to show your support that helps us with the algorithms. And if you're not already, please do follow our YouTube channel at FOREX.com for more videos like this. Thanks again, and best of luck with your trading today.